Hello guys, welcome once again on this channel, and in this video we are going to talk about this cross progression problem that we're facing on the Apex game. So without wasting much time, let's divert into it. But I saw a certain post on Twitter, a certain post on Twitter, and I screenshotted and I wanted to discuss it with you guys. So if you have any question, you can just drop it in my comment section. If you have also anything to say, you can let me know in my comment section. So let's start to read. So Spawn posted that we are aware some Apex players are experiencing cross progression issues. We are actively working on fixed and will continue roll out on Monday, so which means today, which is seed November 2023. So as a reminder, please refrain from unlinking or relinking your account, as it won't impact when you receive cross progression. So you have to put this in mind. He said you shouldn't link or relink your account on any website or any application, or you shouldn't link it to anybody, because this is very, very important. They are just making some update on the software, so you have to be patient, you have to wait, and everything is going to work perfectly and it's going to come naturally. Do you get me? So what you have to do is today, which is Monday, on the seat, you have to update your app, you have to update the software, and everything is going to work successfully. So you don't have to worry yourself sharing your links to people, or else you are going to lose items in your account. So if you don't want to lose item or lose your account, just keep it normal, keep it cool, everything is going to be back. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys to hope everything is going to be successful. So thank you very much for watching the video. See you in my next one.